Right. For instance, you see this equation is written iron plus oxygen to get iron oxide. The first problem that I have here is on this side, I have two, okay? I have two ions, but on that side, I have one, okay? So first of all, what I'll do is I would place a 2 here, okay? Okay, I've sorted iron, but oxygen is still a problem. And usually, if you have numbers like this, you have 2 oxygens there and you have 3 oxygens there. Okay, if you put a 3, okay, you just exchange. If you put a 3 here, it means you're going to have 6 oxygens this side and you have 3 oxygens that side. So 3 times 2 is 6. So it means you put a 2 there so that it becomes 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, now I have also upset the number of iron atoms that I have. It means I now have 4 this side. So it means I have to come back here and then I rub this and I put a 4. And then if you now check, you have 4 ions and then you have 6 oxygen. And if you move across, you have 4 iron atoms and you also have 6. So that's how balancing equations is all about. And that's why I was advising you to use a pencil. Okay, if you write down here hydrogen plus oxygen to get water, okay, you're going to find out that initially my problem is that I have 2 atoms of oxygen there and I have 1 atom of oxygen. So what I will do is I come to this side, okay, and I put a 2 to make the oxygen balanced. But the moment I put a 2 here, I now have 4 hydrogen, so I come this side and I put a 2 and the equation is balanced. Okay, I can have magnesium plus hydrochloric acid, and then I have magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Initially, my problem is that I have 2 hydrogens here and I have 1 there. So I have to come to this side, put a 2 here so that the hydrogens are okay. And if we check, the number of chlorines are now 2, number of chlorines 2 there, magnesium 1, and then 1 hydrogen. So for some of these equations, you just need to do one thing and the equations are balanced. So this one I would classify it as simple, this one is simple, and then you can actually have some which are more challenging like that. So that's how you practice balancing your chemical equations.